Hey guys, this is Alex and welcome back to my video series on solving LeetCode problems. This is problem 746, min cost climbing stairs. So what's this about? You are given an integer array cost where cost of I is the cost to climb a step on the staircase. But once you pay that cost, you can either climb one or two steps. And you can start from step 0 or step 1. And you need to return the minimum cost to reach the top of the floor. So let's say here, the cost is 10, 15, and 20. The cost is actually 15 because you can start at 15 and you can jump all the way to the end. And here, in this array, you do 1, then you jump here, then you jump here, then you jump here, 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 over. And then you avoid all the 100s. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Output 6. So what's the strategy to solve it? First, I was trying one strategy, which was kind of a greedy strategy of always choosing the smallest of the pairs and then moving over and then choosing the smallest, and in case of tie, choosing the one to the right. However, this has some flaws. The best strategy is, after looking into it, is we assume these two values have like fixed values here. And we go and say, hey, for this value over here, I want to know the minimum cost to get here. And the minimum cost will be this value plus the minimum of these values before. So I guess we'll just go and say, 100 and then 2 because it's 1 plus the minimum. Next, it's 1 plus 2, 3, 4, and then 100 is 103, and then it's the 1 plus the minimum of these two, which is 5, and then 6, and then 105, and then 7. Was it 7 the response that we wanted? 6? Oh, then I may have messed up somewhere. Let me check, where did I mess up? Okay, to get to here, we need to spend 2. To get to here, we actually need to spend 3. And to get to here, 103. To get to here, it's 4, 5, 4, 6. And we just return the last one. So let's do this. Let's implement it. So, for index in range 0, 1, 2 until the length of cost, we say that cost of index equals the minimum, plus equals, the minimum of cost index minus 1 and cost index minus 2. And then in the end we just return cost of the last element. What did this fail? How can this output 30? Oh, sorry. At the end, we don't return this. We return the minimum of cost minus 1 and cost minus 2. So the previous or the last or the second last. Yeah, and here's the result. Pretty good ones. So where did I go wrong? Let's say we have another value here which was 300. So then, continuing this 6, this would be 300 times the minimum of 104 and 6. So it would be 306. However, if we get to this point over here, we can jump directly here. So the ending is the minimum of these 2 points. I hope you guys liked the video. Ciao.